Hey friends, this is Meenu World. In today's video, I will show you all how to make a DIY desk organizer with paper. This channel provides you with arts and crafts, paintings and drawings, home decor, quick birthday gifts, easy crochet works, quilling arts, and many more. Subscribe to get notifications as and when I post my videos weekly. Also check out my website for more information. And now let's head over onto the video. So the first part is to make the components of the pen stand. Here I'm using an A4 paper and I'm using it to make a square. So the square is of 21 by 21 centimeter. We are going to be folding it in half from both the sides. Now we see 4 creases in there. So we are going to be folding 2 of those creases to form a triangle shape. Flip it over the back side. Fold the bottom part of it into half. And again fold that part also in half. So you see it will look like this. Now we will fold it in this way. And also we'll be folding the 2 long parts of it into half. Now we are going to be inserting one part of it into the other one. You can see in the video how I do it. So take one of the square things and then keep it into the other one. You can do any side, whichever you want. Straighten things up and now you will see the first part of your pen stand. Now we are going to be making the inside part of it. So I'm using a different color, white color. It measures 9 by 5 centimeter. It's a small rectangle. Now again we are going to be inserting it in it just as you see. And fold the other part into half. Now I'm following the same steps with the white paper to make a white color part. Now you can use any colors. I'm using yellow and white colors. I'm going to be placing them alternatively. So I'm done with my white part now. We have both our parts, yellow and white. We are going to be making more of that to form a circle shape. So we will be making 3 of the white ones and 3 of the yellow ones. Now it's time for us to assemble the parts. going to be placing them alternatively. So you see it looks good using alternative way. Now we are going to be using Fevicol to glue them all together. So apply the glue on one side of it. And stick it with the other one. Now I'm doing the same with the others also. Now when it comes to the last part, here it is my yellow part. We are going to be applying glue on both the sides of the yellow part. Just check that everything is normal and proper. Straighten things up and then you can glue your last part in. So I have glued all my parts now and it is dried. Now we are going to be making the base of it. Here I am using an A3 paper which is 220 GSM. It's a thick paper. Instead of that, you can use 2 or 3 white papers glued together. Now I'm going to roughly measure the surface area of our desk organizer. I'm going to be cutting a rough circle around it. No need to cut it properly because we will trim it later. Now we are going to be applying a thin layer of glue on the places I am mentioning, the lines or the sides of it. We are applying glue not to stick it, rather to make the mark which will help us put the glue in the right place. So now I am placing it over there. Now I am again going to remove it and we see that we have got some white marks over there. That's the places or lines where we are going to apply our glue. Now I am going to be sticking it all nicely together and we will let it dry. Now it's all dried up and we are ready to trim off the sides. I have trimmed off the sides and all is good and ready to go. Now I am adding my pens. You can add some cute eyes to it to make it look nice. So these are the pictures of the pen stand from all the sides. Thank you for watching my video, and if you want more of this type of content, do subscribe to my channel and also take a look at my website. Thank you.